Welcome. My name is Albert. Thank you for joining me today. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to handle if your girl is talking to another guy. Let's say a girl that you're talking to is talking to another guy. Okay? So if you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, because on this channel I teach you guys how to become better men and how to become better with women or improve your interactions with women. Okay, so let's jump right into this topic. Okay, so here's the thing. You have to know this. There's some ground rules that we have to understand before we really dive into this topic, right? So you have to understand that every girl that is above a 7 has a bunch of guys talking to them on a regular basis. Okay, so you have to understand this, right? You want to date beautiful, gorgeous women. Well, that is one of the things you're going to have to deal with. A lot of guys coming to talk to her, a lot of guys hitting on her. Okay? So you have to understand this. And now the other part is that since we are red pilled, or if you're watching this and you're red pilled, right, we understand female nature, right? We understand that she's always looking to date up, right? She's always looking to improve her chances of mating and having a better life. So we understand that she is just going to monkey branch whenever she gets the chance, right? And we also know that women have orbiters that they keep around so that if anything happens with her current relationship and she doesn't like the kind of man that she's dealing with, she can just, no time to waste, go on to another guy, right? But here's the thing, we can't feel insecure or jealous about this because we know it is in their biology, right? And if we want to play the game, this is what we have to deal with. Okay, so we don't need to get butthurt about it. We just need to understand, okay, this is what it is. Okay, got it. This is what I got to do to win. Okay, so there's no emotions. We're not butthurt. Okay, we're not going to get butthurt. We're not going to get jealous. We're not going to insult her or anything. We just know, okay, this is how she behaves. This is how a woman behaves. We just know, okay, I know this is coming, so I know how to handle it, right? The other thing is that I will tell you this, guys. Women find jealousy and insecurity in a man very unattractive. If you show jealousy, it comes off as weak. It comes off as a weak man. And the thing, as we that are trying to become the best versions of ourselves, we have to show strength every single time. You cannot show weakness. You cannot show weakness. It is biological. The women find weakness in men very unattractive. So every time you have to show strength. If you show any sort of insecurity, any sort of jealousy, it shows weakness. So you cannot show this, right? You gotta always show strength. Okay? The other thing is that I want you guys to keep two things in mind every time you're dealing with a woman. Two things in mind. Okay? The first one is never make a permanent decision based on a temporary feeling. Okay? You may end up doing something to this guy that will, put you away for 100 years. Who knows how long, what the repercussions of your actions might be based on a temporary feeling. You just made a permanent decision based on a temporary feeling. So you got to think about that. The other thing, the second thing that you got to think about too is this. She is not yours. It is just your turn. Okay? So she's never yours, whether it's your girl, your wife, your girlfriend, whoever you think it is, right? You might think, oh, you know what, she's mine. I got her locked down. She's going to be mine forever. But here's the thing. She's just yours right now. It's just your turn right now. When the time comes, she's going to monkey branch. That's just the way it is. I hate to break it to you. But like I said, that doesn't mean we have to be mad. We have to be sad. We have to, go our own way, whatever that is. But, you know what it is, so you know how to play the game. Okay? So let's dive right into this topic. And it's going to be a very simple thing. When you see a girl that you're talking to another guy, you have to make sure that you act unfazed. Like it didn't even faze you at all. Like, oh, you see her talking to another guy and then she turns, sees you. Cool. You keep doing what you're doing. She comes back to you. You just ignore it. Oh, that was my brother. Really? Cool. Carry on doing what you're doing because you understand, right? These girls are for everybody. They are for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So you don't need to be worried about If she moves on, that's why it's very important, right? When I tell you guys to do the self-improvement and have multiple women in your rotation, this is for just that reason. If you're having women in your rotation, right? If you have multiple women that you're dating each week, you have to understand that these women are also going to be doing the same thing. They're doing the same thing anyway. So you have to understand this. You can't be butthurt when you see her talking to another guy. Just ignore it. It is what it is, right? As long as she's not disrespecting you. If a woman does anything disrespectful, whether talking to another guy or whatever, and you feel disrespect, you let her know in the most secure way that you can. You say, look, I don't like that. Don't do it in front of me. Simple, right? And like you let her know. You do what you want to do on your time. When you're with me, don't do that. The other thing is that some girls will do this. You're, hanging out with her, cuddled up in bed, and then she will bring up another guy. You see, the thing is that girls want to see what kind of man you are. They talk to these other guys as a test to see how much of a man you are, to see if it's gonna shift you off your center, or see how important she is to you, right? Just to test you, right? Once you let her know, hey, look, girl, you're replaceable. Now, you don't say that verbally, but from your actions of just being nonchalant about it and just kind of blow it off, right? She's gonna know, oh, okay, this guy has his shit together. He knows who he is. I can't shake him off his center, Because, hey, look, it's in their nature. They always test the man that they're attracted to. They just do. So you got to pass the test. You got to blow it off, ignore it, Because remember, guys, you don't want to come off insecure. You don't want to be weak. You always want to show strength when you're dealing with a woman, okay? If she's one of the girls in your rotation and you guys are not exclusive to each other, if she brings up some guy, she's just trying to see what you're going to say about it, right? Oh, yeah? Cool. And just change the topic. You don't have to keep talking about the guy, but just change the topic. Just act like it doesn't bother you, okay? And it shouldn't bother you, right? Because you have other girls that you're talking to, and this one girl, if she stays or she leaves, is no big deal, okay? So, guys, that is the video for today. I hope you guys have seen value in that. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.